Hi there, this is Christy Childs, and I wanted to talk to you about affiliate marketing. I'm a former school teacher slash college professor turned affiliate marketer. And I have to say, of all the business models that I do, and I have multiple streams of income, and I hope you do too, I would have to say that affiliate marketing is my favorite thing. And the reason is, I guess it's because between that and creating my own products, uh, I learned quickly, that it was easier to promote someone else's product because you don't have to provide customer service, although I don't mind providing customer service for my customers. And number two, you don't have to do all the grunt work. You just promote it and you let them worry about the sales page and the follow-up and the emails and all of that. So one of my favorite, and I wanted to show you some of my results with ClickFunnels. I have just begun to promote ClickFunnels again. So my lifetime earnings so far is $557 with ClickFunnels. And then this one is a really cool program. This guy, Spencer, is teaching a program about how he got to $1 million with ClickFunnels. And I promoted his product, and just 2 sales brought me $697, which is awesome. Okay, so it's almost $350 a sale, and I'm going to come back to that in a minute. But I've been doing this for probably about since 2014 is when I began to make some serious money with affiliate marketing. So this is my JVZoo account. And I'll log in so you can see it in real time. But if I go right here to affiliate dashboard, and I put, let's just put 2000, let's say 2014. $95,000. So, in this account, and then Warrior Plus, and that doesn't include the products I sold, because I also sell my own products, but it does. Right now, we're just talking about affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, right? So, I go back and forth promoting products in different marketplaces, but $48,082.59 in Warrior Plus. So you can see I do what I'm teaching, and I decided to teach more about affiliate marketing because it is duplicatable. I've had students make videos of launch products that we're launching, which is called launch jacking, and have their first 800 day. One student wrote me in when I first started teaching affiliate marketing. So I thought, Christmas is coming, people need some money. I can't guarantee any sales, but I can guarantee to show you what is working for me. So what I thought is I would do what ClickFunnels calls a shared funnel. And a shared funnel is where somebody like me creates a funnel inside my ClickFunnels account. And this is the funnel I created. And it's based on training that I have been very successful with. It's video marketing, talking about affiliate products, promoting other people's products. And so this is the funnel. Let me pull this down just a little bit. This is the opt-in page. And I'm showing this to you because I'm going to give you this funnel for free, absolutely free. If you want to opt in and give me your email address, it's fine. You would just opt in here and you'll see a pop-up. But let's go to the rest of the funnel and I'll show you what's inside there. In the rest of this funnel that I created this morning, let me just save this. What I did is you can see right here, you have 2 one-time offers, and then on the thank you page, there is a back-end offer to the webinar that brings in this right here. It's almost $350 a sale. So it's really, really cool. The first one-time offer is It's a $17 ebook, and if you buy this through this funnel, and you don't have to buy anything, okay? You do not have to buy anything. When you click the shared button, it will sign you up for a trial through ClickFunnels, a free trial. It won't cost you anything, absolutely. And if after 14 days you decide to stay, that's great. And it'll be through my affiliate link, which is a sticky cookie. And then you can do the same thing I'm doing. You can take this funnel, you can actually make money while you're promoting this shared funnel if you sell my ebook. Because if you buy this ebook, you'll get the rights to give it away or sell it for $17 or whatever price you want to. And then the next one-time offer, maybe it'd be easier if I show you like this, is the video training that shows you how to change your links inside this funnel, okay? And again, it's $17, and you don't have to buy it. You can just use this funnel, okay? Up to you. But if you do buy it, you can give this away or sell it, okay? Now, the next step in the funnel is a thank you page right here. And this thank you page goes to the webinar that brought me in this commission. This is only 2 sales. Think about it. How many $7 ebooks would it take? It would cost, it would be, you would have to sell 100 books at $7 to make what I made in 2 sales by promoting this webinar that's in this free funnel, okay? And it's just an invitation. This is my affiliate link right here into his masterclass. Now, if you buy the one-time offer inside this funnel, I will show you how to change all these links. You might not need it. You know, maybe you're already there. Maybe you already know how to change all these links inside of ClickFunnels. But I love ClickFunnels, but one thing I had a really hard time with, I first started off in ClickFunnels. It took me a bit of a learning curve to figure out how to put my own videos in there and how to put my own affiliate link and how to make sure my autoresponder was in the shared funnel. So you don't want to be building someone else's business. You want to be building, your business. You want to be building your business, right? First of all, you want to be building a subscriber list. And secondly, you want to be promoting something that will bring you lifetime commissions. Now, when you take this funnel and then you have your own Clickfunnels account, you decide to stay inside of Clickfunnels, there is a sticky cookie. And every time you give this away, then that person that signs up for Clickfunnels is sticky cookie to you for life. That means anytime they buy anything that Clickfunnels markets to them, then you get the commission for life. That's what I love about ClickFunnels. That's why people are being so successful. One of the reasons why is because there is a sticky cookie. And once someone signs up for just the free book plus shipping, then you get the commission. And then if they sign up for something like, if they sign up for the $97 a month plan, you get the commission. But the first thing is awesome because you can give away a shared funnel, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to give you this funnel. You don't have to buy anything. You can keep it for free for 14 days inside of ClickFunnels, and you can change your links. You don't have to buy my book. You don't have to buy the video training. That is only if you'd like to. In fact, you can take this funnel and you can take out those 2 pieces and just promote Spencer's webinar. Completely up to you. I'm just trying to do a service for you that will help you, and it's called a self-liquidating offer. If you buy the ebook and the video training, you automatically get PLR rights to resell it. So you can resell it with your PayPal button, okay? You can resell that. But you only get the ebook and the video training as a download if you buy it. If not, then you would have to replace it with your own giveaway, with your own lead magnet and your own video training, or you could just omit those 2 steps, completely up to you. But the link for the shared funnel is right below this video, and feel free to leave me comments and questions. I've done affiliate marketing for a long time, and I have to tell you that ClickFunnels, you know, it fires on all cylinders. And if you think about like what Russell says, the founder of ClickFunnels, is how awesome is it that you promote a program who, once someone signed up through your link, then ClickFunnels is advertising for you thousands, I don't even know, maybe $1 million campaign in advertising, but at least thousands of dollars that ClickFunnels is advertising with your link. And I think that's why people's success is coming quickly. The other thing about ClickFunnels that you have to remember, unlike JVZoo and Warrior Plus, it is not an instant commission. You wait 30 days to make sure that person has not, you know, stopped the program, but it's worth 30 days. So just, you know what I do? I take a calendar, a little planner, and when I make a sale, then I put it 30 days out, so I know 30 days later I get paid. It's just like a paycheck, just like when you work for a company. If they pay once a month, that's it. That's what you get. And I think it's once a month every Monday. So it's the Monday after the 30 days is up, which is no big deal. You just plan ahead, okay? Just budget. You know, I made a sale today, go on your calendar, go 30 days out, the next Monday, payday. That's it. Okay, it's as simple as that. And they've always paid me. I've never had any problem. I've never heard anybody say they didn't get paid through ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels pays just like they say they're going to do. And that's the other thing. It's a program that I enjoy promoting because the integrity of the program is something I can put my name on. Okay, so again, you have to build your email list. You have to. So you have to have an opt-in page. This shared funnel that I'm giving you, whether or not you have a ClickFunnels account, if you do, that's great. You can still have this. But the shared funnel opt-in page, let me show you. Go back. Right here. This is the opt-in page. And you can change this to anything that you want to. Or you can keep this exactly how it is right now. I created the colors to be congruent with Spencer's webinar because the back end of your funnel is going to be a high converting webinar. It is absolutely amazing. So you're going to want to go through this funnel and see what Spencer is offering because it is really, really amazing training, and that will be your back end offer. Okay, so it's really a done-for-you solution. Again, let's go through that funnel again. You first have the opt-in page, which I just showed you. Let me move myself over here. And then you have, if you buy this, if you keep this as is, nope. We'll try that again. There we go. Now we loaded it. You can sell this ebook, or you can give it away. Up to you. If you want to sell it, it's going to cost you $17 to resell it. It'll come in a download. I mean, it's a really cute, you know, it's a really cute sales page. And then the next page that your folks will see in the funnel is this video. And again, you might say, well, it's you talking on the video. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. If you want to brand yourself, you can make your own video and put it in here. Okay? But again, this will show you how to do what I have just showed you. Show you how to change out your links so that when people come to this PayPal, that when they click on the link, it'll be your PayPal account, okay? Instead of mine, it'll be your PayPal account. So you can give this away or you can sell it, up to you. You know, if you want to give it away, you can just change this to, you know, your free training. You don't have to put any buy buttons on here. And then the very back end again is Spencer's offer for a webinar, which is a high ticket webinar from a 7-figure ClickFunnels affiliate. He's made 7 figures. He's gotten 2 cars paid for. And you will have your link there instead of mine if you buy the video training, or if you know how to do that. Either way, you're all set, okay? And again, I promoted this with 3 emails and made almost $700 with 2 sales. It's a high converting webinar. You're going to want this. You really are. Take my word for it. You're going to want this. Plus, remember too that ClickFunnels will follow up with you with your customers, and Spencer, after they register for this webinar, will follow up with your customers with emails. So you've got 2 streams of income. Plus, if you buy my PLR ebook and my PLR video, you will have 4 streams of income in one. You'll have a ClickFunnels account, shared funnel. If you opt in for the $97 a month payment, you can share this same funnel with whoever subscribes to you. And then if you bought the video and you bought the ebook, you can sell that as well. So that's 2 streams of income. And then you can put your affiliate link in for Spencer's webinar, which is what this is right here. And you can have ClickFunnels, your ClickFunnels affiliate link going all over the internet. So you've got 4 potential streams of income. Okay? Now that was a mouthful. If you have any questions, just put it below this video. I hope that was as clear as mud. But anyway, 4 streams of income with this one shared funnel. You're under no obligation. Won't cost you a dime. You can just download it for free. And if you decide to stay with ClickFunnels, and if you want to share this funnel, and you will need to be sure to buy the ebook and buy the video training if you want to keep this funnel intact and have 4 streams of income. I think that's pretty awesome. I woke up the other morning and I'm making notes on my phone and I'm like, oh my gosh, I know a perfect funnel. Okay, 4 streams of income. So I hope you take advantage of it. This is Christy. I'll talk to you soon. Please give me a like and subscribe. And my mission is to help you make your first affiliate sales. That's my mission. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.